Lawnmower out. Once he sees me through the window, he might come out and squash my dream of trying this. So hopefully he doesn't see me too soon. I'm almost ready. Once I have it ready to go, as soon as I turn the lawnmower on, he's probably gonna run out of the house screaming. So wish me luck. No! Oh, it doesn't work! It's gotta work!
You ruined that lawnmower. And I'm gonna... Oh, God. Ooh, there's no mercy.
I didn't ruin it!
You might as well cut the rest of the grass. Cut it off.
What? I was trying to make it cut itself. Look, I did one sort of half a circle, but I think I might be able to troubleshoot.
No.
Here's my second attempt. I was already told by my husband if I break his $300 lawnmower, and then he went silent and walked away. Let's see if this works. Winning! Ghetto style. Totally winning. Totally winning. Right. Right. I will definitely perfect this with my big giant tree in the middle of my yard. Yes. I should probably go over there soon. But it's totally working. Next time I'm using a way longer rope.